All right, so you can see here I've gone all the way around this pumpkin, and I've gone from the base straight line to the top. I did spray this tray with water before I set the pumpkin on there and started spraying, because I don't want this foam to stick to the tray. In about 5 minutes, this will get a skin on it. I've intentionally made this big old pile of foam up here because once it's skinned, I can form and shape that and make the stem. As you can see right there, how it just pulled up. It's still really tacky. It's not got that skin yet. So in about 5 minutes, it'll have a skin on it, and then I can shape it. And if you have anything here, like this big old bump here, if I want to smooth this out, once there's a skin on it, I can literally tap that and shape it to whatever I want. But I kind of like all that kind of stuff because it gives life and texture to it. So this here, I can press that